Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Talk, and today we are going to unbox the Vivo Y71. This phone was launched in India last month and it's Vivo's budget full view display phone. This phone is priced for 10,999 and comes with two color options, gold and black. We got the gold variant. Let me go ahead and unbox this phone. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Press the bell icon for notifications whenever I upload a new video. Also check my latest intro video and comment. Inside the box we get the device. Let me keep this aside. Then we have some booklets, SIM ejector tool, charger which has an output of 5V 1A. Here is a closer look. Then we get a micro USB cable, we are glad that Vivo included headsets inside the box. However, these are the basic headsets. Here are all the box contents. Now let's go back to the device. This phone comes with 6 inches HD Plus IPS display with 18:9 aspect ratio. On the front of the phone there is a 5 megapixel camera, earpiece, proximity sensor and display. Also the front display comes with pre-applied screen protector. This phone is powered by a Snapdragon 425 processor with 3GB RAM. On the side of the phone we get the power and volume buttons. On the left side there is a SIM slot. Let's check the SIM slot, which has dedicated 2 SIM slots plus an SD slot. On the top there is nothing. On the bottom we get 3.5mm headphone jack, primary mic, micro USB port and speakers. On the rear we get a 13 megapixel camera. This phone has a metal build and comes with 3360 mAh battery. There is a Vivo branding on the back, however, we don't get any fingerprint sensor. Coming back to the rear camera, it has a 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture with HDR, Pro and Beauty mode. Let me power on this device, quickly complete the setup process. Now, the setup process is completed. Let's go ahead and check the default home screen. This is the default home screen. This phone comes with a lot of bloatware apps. Let me go into the settings, check the software information. This phone comes with Android 8.1 out of the box with Vivo's Fun Touch OS along with March security update. Let's go ahead and check the RAM and storage information. Here is the 3GB RAM, and out of 16GB we get 7GB available storage. As I mentioned earlier, this phone doesn't come with a fingerprint sensor. However, Vivo has included a face unlock feature. Let me go ahead and add my face. Test this face unlock feature. Now, let's test the face unlock feature. Let's do this again. Time to check the camera app. This is a camera UI. Let me take some pictures. let's check the pictures we've taken. I will do a detailed camera review later on. Now let me switch to the front camera, take some pictures. Also there is a live bokeh mode for the front camera. Here are the pictures. So that's all for the unboxing video. Stay tuned, there will be more videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.